Time ran out on tax reform during the legislative session, but the conversation is moving forward. Most agree on the need, but not on the how to do it. Broaden the base and lower the rate. That has been the rally cry for tax reform in our state. Lawmakers say something has to be done.
We pay for all of our education expenses in this state with income tax, and the Constitution doesn't allow us to spend that money any other way. The problem is we pay for everything else in the state with sales tax, and that sales tax continues to dwindle and is growing about half the rate of the economy.
House Bill 441 came out in the final weeks of the session. It would have lowered the income and sales tax rates, but added taxes to most services. It was met with strong opposition from businesses across the spectrum. The bill was pulled, but the debate continues.
One thing we're somewhat agreed on is it may take multiple different avenues or multiple different sources to be able to correct the problem.
That could include property taxes, a constitutional amendment on the income tax, and reinstating the sales tax on food.
But if you do it right, you're able to actually have those people who make a lot of money, who get the same benefit of sales tax off of food, contribute to those that don't.
That's what Alliance for a Better Utah will be watching for. They say education and low-income families need to be protected.
Business-friendly is good. People-friendly is better. And so we cannot be, giving every single business a way out and then bolster that again on the shoulders of low-income Utahns.
State lawmakers insist all Utahns will gain.
We actually have set aside money for a tax cut later this year, but we've got to get this structural problem fixed so we can, in fact, get to that tax cut.
The legislature did create a tax reform task force to look into ways to address the system. The committee is expected to gather input all across the state ahead of a